Very often, users want to see videos from cameras in the interface they use to control their automation project. So, how to set it in i3 Lite? Go to Devices, press plus, as we'll add a new module from iRidium Store. Enter Camera in the search line of iRidium Store. Several modules for cameras are shown. Here is a standard module for cameras, Camera Wizard, and if you use cameras by TrueIP, Hikvision or iRidium, select modules for these cameras. I'll use the standard module as an example. Press Add. After the module is added, you can change the name of the module, see module description in the iRidium Store, write feedback, or delete the module. So, how to add a camera? Press plus. If you know the brand of your camera, you can try entering it here and you will get a direct path to getting a video stream from your camera. Thus, you do not have to consult the documentation to the camera to learn how a video path is formed. You can fill in all the fields and get access to the image. I already know the direct link to the video stream, that's why I'll add it manually. If a camera is located in the local network, as you see I have here local IP address, if you plan to connect it to this camera remotely via the internet, you'll have to open ports to access this camera. Turn on Use the external URL function and enter a link on the basis of your external address and open port. There are some more settings here. If you use a camera in the format when an image is updated several times a day, a weather widget for example, you can set how often you want the image to refresh in milliseconds and in their refresh settings. If you use cameras by Mobotics, you can select Demuxer. If you can't see an image from the camera, try changing the protocol of data exchange. Sometimes when connection is not stable and UDP protocol is used, you might not see the image. Switch to TCP protocol. If your camera supports sound, you can select True in the audio setting. Here you can also enter an additional URL for a widget. I'll press OK now and show what it is. A camera can be displayed on a widget, or when a button is pressed, a larger version of this image can be seen. You can display a stream in a lower resolution on the widget if there is a special link. You can enter this link here. Select Yes next to Use Widget URL and enter a local link and an external link. I'll show again the way you can do it. Press the gear icon, then find the gear icon again, press it, and select Use Widget URL. And enter another stream with lower resolution. What else can you do to a camera? You can deactivate it and it won't be shown, and you can activate it back and the camera will be shown. You can change the name, you can change the icon, you can select location, that is, select where you want to place the camera widget. You can enter additional information, and you can change the name of the widget. This name will be displayed on the widget itself. You can also delete the camera. Let's see what it will look like to a user. Go back to the General tab, press the Start Project button. Let's go to the room where I added the camera. You can see video from the camera in the interface. I can maximize the image and it is seen in full screen. If you want the changes to become available on all devices, press the three dots in the top right corner. Select Save to Cloud. If you have a server in your project, here you'll see Make Public button. After pressing this button, a project is sent to the server and it is automatically updated in the cloud.